Hello friends, glad to see you again and welcome back to our channel. If you're considering a new lounge chair for your home, this video is perfect for you. So, keep watching! For some people, buying a lounge chair is quite challenging because they want to make over their lounge not only a beautiful but also a restful place. If you want to buy lawn chairs, you can choose from a huge collection of lawn chairs such as high backs and recliners. Based on the design of your interior and your personal preferences, you can go for the right choice. In this video, we will show you 5 simple tips to choose best lounge chairs. This will make it easier for you to make the best choice, so keep watching! Number 1. Recliners. If you are looking for a recliner for your living room, we suggest that you go for a design that offers flexibility and the highest level of comfort. If this is the case, you may want to go for a luxury unit. If you want to go for a high-end unit, make sure you are willing to pay more as these units are quite expensive. Number 2. Available space. Another important factor is to consider the available space in your house. You can find lawn chairs in different sizes and shapes to meet your needs. If you don't have a lot of space in your lounge, you may want to stick to a design that won't overpower your room. Number 3. Rocking chair. If you don't want a lot of movement, we suggest that you go for a rocking chair. This can be an ideal choice if you want only a little bit of movement while sitting in the chair. Number 4. Material. Another important factor to consider is the material the chair is made of. One of the best materials is leather, which is very durable and has luxurious feels. Another good material is fabric. You can choose from a wide variety of fabrics such as sheepskin, velvet, and wool. The great thing about fabric lounges is that they are quite welcoming and soft. Other material options are plastic, wood, and metal. You can also go for a lounge chair made from metal, wood, or plastic. Each of these options has its own personality. Number 5. Color choice. As far as color is concerned, every person has their own preferences. However, some shades work better than the rest in some situations. For example, if your lounge gets a lot of traffic, you can go for a dark color. The same is the case if you have pets and kids in your house.